Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding be the master of your mind and do what is needed to be done. If you will be the master of your mind and not let the mind be master of your. If you are servant of mind, then it might take you to much horrible places because mind by nature is destructive if it is not put in some productive and constructive work. Okay, so if you don't have something constructive to put the mind, because the mind is always chattering, so give the monkey mind some task, some work, so it keeps focus on that. So be master of your mind and do what is needed to be done. Don't do what mind wants to do, but you direct the mind on what is needed to be done. And it is not just about controlling the mind, it is just about understanding the mind. That mind which is thoughts is just like some of the the movement of the memory which is coming up. Okay, so thoughts of the past should not determine your present, and that should not do. You should not let that your body do, because whatever the thought will come, that will come into emotions and that will come into actions. So keep the thoughts and emotions aside and do what is needed to be done. So to be the master of your own mind and don't let the mind be your master. And the voice in head which is going on, that is not you. So don't confuse yourself with the mind. The voice which is going inside you is the mind, and if you are the observer of that, so if you observe it, see it in intense consciousness, then in the intense consciousness that voices disappear, and after that you can be calm, peaceful in the present moment without any desire also. And whenever the work is required not to do, then you will do that. So you will do what is needed to be done when it is required. So mind is empty when it is not doing anything and it is calm and peaceful, and like it's a state of no mind actually when you are calm and peaceful. And when you're doing it, then you are directing the mind, not letting the mind be the master of you, because mind will play a lot of tricks, lot of chicaneries it will play. So but you should not let the mind, the visuals which come in your head, the mind is just a thought which comes in the form of picture, a name which is given to a form, that is mind. And you can reprogram your mind and also understand what is mind, and only use it when it is required, and when it is not, be the master of your mind and don't be its servant, and live a happy and peaceful life and be productive and keep going. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and we will come up with lot of such content which will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching the video.